Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hey Flash fam, I missed you. If you're new here, hello. My name is Shelly with Flash Custom Transfers. I've been selling DTF transfers since 2021. If you haven't seen us on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, hello, welcome to the channel. Today we are getting back to the basics, the DTF basics. If you're new here, you had a lot to learn. I have a lot of people still reaching out that are still new to DTF after all these years. So I'm here to teach you. I've learned a lot over the years, but today's video is the 5 things you need to know before ordering DTF transfers. So I'm gonna have a little series going, DTF Basics of Flash Custom Transfers, just teaching you the basics, teaching you how to set up gang sheets, how to remove your background, and different softwares like Canva, Adobe Illustrator, and things like that. So please, if that's something you're interested, stick around, subscribe, comment, like. Let's get straight into the video. Into it, 5 things you need to know before ordering DTF transfers. Number 1, your file needs to be high resolution. We require a image to be 300 DPI and to the size that it would need to be printed. High resolution images, PNGs, things like that. We do not accept JPEGs, which are low resolution images. And if that's something you're not familiar with, vectoring and things like that, that could be more for another video. But high resolution images, if you have a graphic designer that can help you, you can reach out to us. We have in-house graphic designers. We don't accept screenshots, things like that. You can't print screenshots. Those are low resolution images. So if you want the very best product, the very best DTF transfer, you need that high resolution image at 300 DPI. Whenever you submit something to us, we are a print as is company. But if we do see something that's like super low, I will reach out to you because I don't want you to waste that money. So high resolution images. And again, these 5 steps will help you save money, save frustration, save time, things like that. So number 1, DTF Basics, high resolution images. Number 2, you must have a transparent background when submitting your images. So if you submit an image with the white background, most of the time it's going to be printed like that, depending on the business that you're submitting your image to. Us, if we see a white background, I'm going to definitely reach out and say, hey, this image is not transparent. Do you want to print it as is, or did you want to resend artwork? I do give people that opportunity. Some people say print as is. Some people say, oh, thank you for telling me I need to remove this background. How do I remove the background? Are you able to remove the background? So there's still a lot of beginners here in DTF. So please remember, when you're submitting an image, to remove the background, have transparent background, or it will print exactly how you submit it. Number 4, the right file type. Like I mentioned earlier, DTF works best with PNG files. PNG files, 300 DPI, transparent background for the best product, the sharpest edges, and overall, no money wasted, no frustration, no time, and you get perfect prints every time. This is what you would get. Number 5, gang sheets. A lot of people still don't know what gang sheets are. So if you're ordering multiple images that you're needing, you gang them on one sheet. So on one, usually 22 by 24 is the standard size in DTF. So you would put all your images on a 22 by 24 versus ordering singles or things like that. So a gang sheet is the best way to go. If you're not familiar with gang sheets, I will have a video on how to set up gang sheets, and I also already have a video on my YouTube channel on how to set up gang sheets. So on our website, we have a gang sheet builder. So you just upload your designs and then you can gang them on there. It'll actually optimize it for you. So you can do that on our website, or you can email us at ordernow@flashcustomtransfers.com and we can set up that gang sheet for you. It does cost a fee, but I mean, it's everything costs a fee. It definitely takes time to figure out quantities, your quantity, and things like that. So we do give you that option for free on our website, or we can set it up for you. All right, so that is the 5 basics of what you need to know before ordering DTF transfers. If you're in the need of DTF transfers, you can visit our website at flashcustomtransfers.com. More than happy to help you. If you need to email us, if you have any questions about anything we went over, the email is ordernow@flashcustomtransfers.com. Again, I will see you next time for our next video in this series. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.